Hello everybody, my name is Joris from the company Lumens, and I would like to present to you today our BC301 wide-angle POV camera. What do I mean by that? It's a 4K camera that can do up to 60 or 50 frames depending on where you are, and it has 102 degrees of horizontal field of view. On the front you see a manual focus ring that you can set up, and in the back we will have an HDMI connection and a USB connection that is live at the same time, and also an IP connection to stream. Where can you sell this product? This product is purposely built for interviewing, in broadcasting. When you're sitting on a seat, you have a wide angle, you can crop out the people. It's good for medical applications, school applications, basically everywhere where they would like to have a camera and you don't see it moving. So that's also a good benefit about this camera. This camera is fairly small, it stands there and nobody sees the camera anymore, and after 5 minutes you forget it exists. If you want to know more about this product, please visit our website. It's www.mylumens.com. Thank you.